horizontal integration. Are you okay with that? Then we have a vertical integration. Integration of firms engaged in the production of the same type of a good but at different level of production. What do you mean by different level of production? Like it could be primary, secondary, tertiary. Okay. Example, cloth manufacturing company, like of course known as secondary company, merge with the cotton growing firm. Got that? Okay. Now divide vertical integration into two types. First one, forward vertical integration, the other one the backward. Now, what is the forward one? When a firm integrates with a firm that is a later stage of the production than theirs, example, dairy farm integrates with the cheese manufacturing company. Got that? Backward, when a firm integrates with a firm that is at earlier stage of the production than their, example, chocolate retailer integrates with the chocolate manufacturing company. I hope you don't have any kind of issue. Okay, let's talk about some kind of advantages. It can give a firm assured supply or outlets for their products. If a coffee brand merge with the coffee plantation, the manufacturing would get assured supplies of the coffee beans from the plantation. Okay, if the coffee brand merge with the coffee shop chain, they would have a permanent outlet to sell their coffee from. The last one, the third type, known as conglomerate integration or known as lateral. This occurs when firm producing different type of products. They could be at the same or the different stage of the production. Example, a housing company integrates with a dairy firm. This would be known as conglomerate. Okay. Advantages: diversify risk, create new market. Disadvantages: inexperience can lead to mismanagement, and it could be the reason of losing focus. Another term, what do you mean by scale of production? If from scale of production increase its average cost, decrease cost of saving from the larger scale production is called economy of scale. Internal economic scale, purchasing economics, marketing economics, financial economics. What is internal economics? Decision taken within the firm that can bring about some kind of advantages. Okay, simple known as internal economics. You would take a decision that would be beneficial for the organization. Purchasing economics. Large firm can be buy raw material and the components in the bulk because of their large scale of the production. If you are purchasing something in bulk, then you would be in a position to get some kind of a discounts. Ultimately, this purchasing decision would be beneficial for the organization. Okay. Marketing economy. Larger firm can afford their own vehicles to distribute their products, which is much cheaper than hiring other firm to distribute them. This would be known as marketing economy. Financial economies. Banks are more willing to lend money to the larger firms since they are more financially secure than the small ones. Okay. To repay the loan, they are also likely to get lower rate of interest from the larger firm. Why? Because they are in a position that you can say they can easily repay their loan. So that's why banks don't charge them more. Okay. External economies. Access to more skillful, more experienced employees. Economies, you just have to keep in mind that we are talking about some beneficial aspects for the organization or of the organization. Joint market benefit, shared infrastructure. Every decision you are taking just for the beneficial of the organization. That was the economies. Now here we have diseconomies of the scale, opposite to economies. The first one is management diseconomies. How it can happen? Large firm have a wide internal organization with a lots of manager and the employees. This make communication difficult and decision making very slow. Got that? Too much output. They may require huge kind of a production. So supply of raw material, power, etc., which can lead to the shortage and the hard production increasing cost. Demotivation and the less cooperative culture may arises because of so many employees. More shares showed into the market and bought means more owners coming into the business. Having a lot of owners can lead to the lot of disputes and the conflicts among themselves. A lot of large firms can face diseconomies when their products become too standardized and the less of a variety in the market. This will reduce the sales and the profit and increase the average cost. A firm that double all its inputs like a resources is able to more than double its output, increasing return to scales. A firm that double all its inputs and fails to double its output as a result experience a decreasing or diminishing returns to scale.